So this cocoa is part of it. It's part of the land. So it start from after the well. Dig this well on the ground. After this well, start from that place that there is leaf. Then you have already dig foundation for the fence already. This is the staircase to the upstairs. That's visitors toilet.